So firstly, I want to say that today, and this is very bold and grand speech competition. I am very happy and glad and delighted and pleased to know and aware that you all have participated in it and you have confidence to face these guys. Actually, I want to say thanks to Canopus that Canopus has organized this session, and I'm grateful to you all that you have participated in it. Actually, this is not only a session of Saturday, and Saturday is special always, but today is very and very special for everybody. Actually, today the winners will be getting medals, trophies. Only three of you will be the winner of this day, and it will be memorable for your entire life. Because this day will give you the confidence, motivation, morale, and encouragement, and consolation and consolidation. This day will boost your career. Because this day, after this day, the person who will be winner, they will have that I have something to achieve, and I have some confidence by which I can go anywhere in the world and I can win any competition. Competition is very, very important to boost your career. If you don't want to participate, if you're not willing to participate in any competition, that means you are here alive but you don't have sense and you are out of mind. But you have participated in competition, that means you want to face the world and you want to make eye contact to the world. So I want to say thanks to Campus, that Campus has organized. The topic is democracy still alive in India? That topic is very critical and very serious topic. But I want to tell you, all the people who are watching on YouTube and any other social media site, this is only for boosting our confidence, and this is only to learn what is the reality on fact of democracy. And our intention are not to hurt anyone's political parties and any emotional person. Actually, if you are following any parties, so we are not going to hurt your emotion. We are just here to improve our English language and boost our confidence. If you belong to any political parties, we are not here to hurt your emotion and feelings, and we are not going to target any ruling party or an opposition party. And we are here only to tell you what is the English and what is the reality of democracy. We are here to know what is the fact of democracy, because we are Indians and we must have the knowledge about our rights. What is the rights of common people, and this is the rights, and this is given by our constitution. And I am here to tell you one thing more, that all the persons who are connected to any political parties, watch this video and just learn something from us, and because we are just students, and don't think bad about us, because we are here and we think about India and we all love India. So I have approx 30 participants here today in this competition, and this is organized by Canopus Institute, and this is the global speech competition. Before inviting somebody, I want to know that you all are excited. Yes. Could you speak loudly? Are you excited? Yes. Wow, this is the things. So if I invite anybody, and it might be anyone, if I say just stand once, don't let me tell twice. So I want to start from beginners, because I want to finish all beginners, and I want to say one thing more. Your time will be 5 minutes. If you're leaving the stage before 5 minutes, you will be out of context and you will be out of competition. If you have spoken for 5 minutes, then I will decide that you have spoken, you have used your body language or not, and how you are standing, how you are speaking. So your time will be 5 minutes. Anyone who is excited today? Are you excited? Go have a big clap for him. Now here is his name, Asghar. Asghar वो 23 मिनट मिलते हैं. Now that's great, sir. अब मेरी तरफ से आपको हम देंगे 30 रुपया इस कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए. Hello ladies and gentlemen, look at me and make a pin drop silence. Make a pin drop silence to do the meaning of this.
Sweet. ये गिरने की आवाज है कोई गिरे तो उसकी भी आवाज है उतना सन्नाटा चाहिए
Yeah, so maintain this. So firstly, I'm going to make very energetic and very confident students of this campus who is going to start this session today. And his name is Mr. Asgar. Before inviting him on the stage, I want to share something about him that he has agreed that he is going to stand and start this session first time. That's why I'm going to award and reward him for 30 rupees today. And I want to share one thing that he is going to start the session because I was unable, I couldn't have any words to say that he was going to stand to start the session, and he has agreed that I'm going to start the session. So I would like to invite him on the stage. Please come on the stage, Mr. Asgar.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Asgar and today I am going to deliver a speech on behalf of Campus Institute. And firstly, I would like to say a wonderful morning to all of you guys, and also I would like to say a wonderful thanks to Campus Institute and its teacher who has provided this golden speech competition, and I am here to participate in this competition and I wish I did. So firstly, I would like to clear one thing. I am not here to hurt the nation, and my intention is not that. And I am not going to raise my fingers against any political party and any leaders. So, without wasting your auspicious and precious time, let's go on the topic. I'm not a good speaker like you guys. If I do any mistake, so please forgive me. So the topic is democracy. You know, guys, what is the meaning of democracy? Democracy comes by Greek words, damos and karatos. Damos means people and karatos means rule by the people. And the second question is, what is the definition of democracy? You know, guys, democracy is ruled by the people, and question is India a democracy country? So before talking about this, is it important to know what democracy actually is? You know, guys, most of the people are thinking that if you go and there are regular votes in the country and you have a chance to vote someone. So this is a democracy country, but my opinion is elections have to be free, need to be free and fair for everyone, for the political parties and everyone also. And you know, guys, free means every people have a chance to have a freedom to vote for whom they want to, and every candidates who are in the other other political party who have a chance to win fair of winning, and it shouldn't not be like one party has a lot of advantages to win. So this is not fair. Is democracy still alive in India? So I have 5 reasons about that, but I say only 5 words, not its meaning. Firstly, media, and the second one is people rights and rights of the women. Third one, and fourth is constitution, and the 5 is other parties have a chance to ask anything to ruling party. So that's it from myself, and I would like to raise my case from here. So thank you, guys.
Second participant, please come on, sir. Good morning, all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Chandan. I'm a student of a Campus Institute. I am talking about democracy. Democracy means rules by the people. It is government of the people, for the people and by the people. India is a democratic country, and it is the biggest democracy in the world. The proper functioning of a democracy the proper functioning of democracy, internal of the system, and the government is run by the elected representative are elected sitting in parliament. Every man and every woman after the age of the 18 years elected internal and to a vote. The democracy depends upon the freedom of the speech, the union of election expresses, union of the voters. Democracy should be free. But the success of democracy, freedom of speech. Thank you, sir. ऐसे फिनिश करेंगे all participants of this competition is Dharampal. Please come on the stage, sir.
Good morning, all of you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dharampal. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, country living in Delhi, Bihar. I have done my 10th and currently pursuing diploma in electronics. There are 8 members in my family and I have 4 siblings, including me. So I will my introduction. And I will want to children and thank Inspector sir who gave me this golden opportunity to enhance my communication skill and participate in this speak competition. Before the starting topic, I would like to share that my intention is not hurt any political party and minister, and I'm not going to raise finger any minister and parties. So without wasting our auspicious and precious time, let's move on the topic. Topic is democracy. Democracy is a right. It is a system of government in which citizen has the power and elective and make our government. Democracy gives us the right. We express our thoughts and opinions, right and wrong, and enjoy our freedom. According to the Ibrahim Alangan, a democracy is for the people, by the people, of the people. The name of democracy is used for different form of government in which can many people participate and make decision and community is run. India is a biggest democracy country in the world and around 2000 years suffering under the British and finally achieved democracy in 1947. India is a democratic country because here free and fearless do elections and rules of regulation because all the people not break any rules and regulation, all the minister under the rule and all the children who not above the 18 years old do not get vote because government thought is that whose children and women's girls does not above the 18 years old, we cannot decide properly what is the right and wrong for me and our society. And India is but nowadays India is a democratic country. This is a big question because these are many countries democratic like South Korea. This is a democratic country, but these people have not freedom that we express our thoughts, opinions, and enjoy our freedom. But same situation making in India a little bit because here is no any opposition party who ask any question, but it is a duty of media, and media in nowadays media is a purchasable political party, purchase media and political media always. So these are things who want political parties, because political party gives you lakh rupees medias, and media always this, so this is the advantage of this party, and not ask any question opposite side. And if any politician under any case, so that we join specific party who already in power, then all the cases are removed of this politician. So this is a not democratic country. This is a big question for this generation. If you are not thought in this question, so that India is a one day make a dictatorship country. Thank you.
I am going to invite Mr. Deepak. Please come on, sir.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Deepak Kumar. I read in 11th class. Today I am going to deliver speech. I would like to share wonderful morning all of you. To all of you, I would like to share.
Keep speaking. Hopeless. Good morning to all of you. बोलो आगे.
Good morning to all of you, and I would like to share
Keep speaking. ऐसे भी 3 मिनट खड़े रहने से नहीं नंबर मिलेगा, बोलते रहने से मिलेगा.
without wasting auspicious time. I move on the topic democracy. Democracy is very important in our life. Democracy, all people is very important. Without democracy, all countries not survive. Democracy is very important.
You have a seat. Want to let you know you are better than those who have not participated in this. So have a big clap for him. And if you are better than those who have not participated in it, they don't have dared to participate and face these people. Actually, facing these people is not very easy task. When you stand here, your mind gets blank. So don't mind that you have not spoken. And next time, better luck. So I'm going to invite Deepak, please come on, sir. So hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Deepu Chauhan. Today I'm going to deliver a speech on the help of Chemical Institute. So firstly, I would like to share a wonderful morning, all of you. Wonderful morning, all of you. And I would like to put on thanks for Campus Institute and its teachers. They have provided me the golden opportunity, competition speaking competition. So before starting the topic, I would like to describe few words the lessons. And my intenness is not hard to the lesson, and I'm not going raise my finger any political political leaders and parties. So I am stand here with my confidence and speaking skills. So without wasting your auspicious and precious time, let's move start the topic. So friend, topic is very important and very interesting because the topic is democracy is still alive in India. So friend, if you know what is the meaning of democracy. So democracy is most popular system of government in this modern world because the word of democracy has originated for two Greek words, demos and kratos. So demos means people and kratos means power. So democracy means people of the power. According to Abraham Lincoln. So democracy is government of the people, by the people and for the people. And two types of democracy. First type, direct democracy and indirect democracy. If I talk about direct democracy in that form of government in which direct participate and all citizens indirect participate and making a law and taking an important decision. But the working this system possible only those places whose population is very small, like a Switzerland. And if I talk about indirect democracy that is from on government in citizen elected there. So people are supreme in democracy. The proper functioning is democracy depend upon the election system. The democracy is by the elected and represented the people of sitting in parliament. Every man and woman after 18 is elected to vote. And so if I talk about the main point of democracy is still alive in India. Yes, democracy is still alive in India because democracy is on the base of constitution. All the Indian peoples and all the Indian government work under a rules and regulation and follow the all India law. And rules has been writing in the Indian Constitution. So there are four types of four pillars of democracy. So first of all, judiciary and executive and media and so if I talk about our court system, so our court system is have freedom in their judgment. They have power to punishment in the crime. They can also give to clean cheat in the victim. So if I talk about lesson of the democracy, so we should fight together save our democracy. We should not fight to between. Thank you.
I'm going to invite Miss Madhu. Please come on, madam.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, my name is Madhuri. Today I am going to speak about. So, firstly, I would like to thank to my respected sir who give me this golden opportunity to enhance my communication skill and build my confidence level. So, I am not a good English speaker like all are smart and intelligent people. So, what is the democracy? Democracy India is very is very biggest democracy country. All people's equal rights.
Drop. Have a seat.
Thank you.
After her, I am going to invite Miss Sonali. Please come on, madam.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
Today I'm going to deliver a speech on behalf of Campus Institute. I would like to put a wonderful thank you to Campus and its teacher. Before starting the topic, I would like to have only build my confidence and communication skills, and whereas without waste your precious and precious time, let's move on the topic. Today's my topic is democracy. My first question is, what is democracy? So democracy, the word democracy comes from the Greek word demos, meaning people and democracy meaning power. My second question is, what is the meaning of democracy? So by the people, of the people, by the people, and from the people. So democracy is very important for a country, and government gives too many facilities. So thank you.
Have a seat. I'm going to invite Miss Sonia. Please come on.
Hello, good morning class. As you know, my name is Soumya. Today I am very happy this Campus Institute's competition, because I am not prepared for good, but I am speaking here. So I would like to say thanks to my respected teacher who gave me this golden opportunity to enhance my communication skill and build my confidence. I would like to I would like to share wonderful morning to all of you. Before starting this topic, I would like to describe few words to nation. My intention is not hurt to political leaders, and my finger is not raised political leaders, because this is my English competition, build my confidence. I am going to talk about very interesting topic, democracy. Democracy is a government system is India. We can all people vote, elect to indirect prime minister vote. We can third the decision making in elected by vote. This time democracy is rights of human, like 18 plus before student elected by vote. This time we can choose political leaders, your opportunity, this system in government. Thank you, sir. Thank you, class.
After her, I'm inviting Ms. Priya. Please come on, madam.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Priyamar. I am from UP, but I currently live in Delhi. I am going to deliver a speech on behalf of Canopus Institute. I would like to share a wonderful thanks to my respected sir who gave me this golden opportunity participate in speech competition and build my confidence. Before starting the topic, don't you're wasting auspicious and precious time. Let's move on the topic. Democracy is very important. Demos meaning pupil and Crasos meaning power.
आई कांटेक्ट बना के इनसे बोले
पर याद ही नहीं आ रहा.
बोलो
Democracy was declared 26 January 1950. Democracy father in India, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Sir, thank you.
after her, I'm going to invite Ms. Sonia.
Sir, sir.
Hello. 4 minutes है.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sonia, and today I am going to deliver a speech on behalf of Campus Institute. Firstly, I would like to wonderful morning to everybody, and I would like to share a wonderful
Thanks.
thanks to campus and campus teacher. And before starting the topic, I would like to describe few points, describe few words. I am not going to raise my fingers to any parties, and without your wasting such important time. So let's get started. So today's topic, democracy. Democracy, the word of democracy, the word of democracy, Greek word demo meaning in people, crazy meaning in power. So democracy can be thought of as power of the people.
After her, I'm going to invite Ms. Sunita. Please come on.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Saita Singh, and today I am going to deliver a speech on behalf of a campus institute. Firstly, I would like to all of you, and I would like to put a wonderful thanks to campus and its teacher. That they have provided me a golden opportunity to participate in speech competition.
before we start the topic, I would like to subscribe. Please subscribe towards to few words in the nation. Describe. And my intention is not to hurt the nation. And I am not going to rest my fingers about to political leaders and parties. I am only here to build up confidence, to speak skills without wasting auspicious and precious time. Let's start democracy. What is democracy? Means democracy. Democracy is very important in our life. Democracy is 15 words. Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is government of people, for the people, and for the people, and any people. Democracy is time.
After that, I am going to invite Mr. Himanshu. Please, Himanshu.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Himanshu Joshi. Firstly, I am going to behalf of Canopus. I am going to deliver a speech on behalf of Canopus Institute. Firstly, I would like to share a wonderful morning to all of you, and I would like to put a wonderful thanks Canopus Institute and its teacher, Mr. M.J. Samsa sir. They have provided me a golden opportunity, and I am only going to my confidence making skills and I am not hurt to the nation and any political parties and leaders. Whereas, without wasting your auspicious and precious time, let's get to start topic. Topic is democracy still alive in India? First, if I talk about what is the meaning of democracy? Democracy comes by the Greek words demos, meaning people, and kratos meaning power. The power of people. Democracy meaning the power of people. And second, the definition of the democracy. According to moral president of the America, Abraham Lincoln was saying that the government of the people, by the people, for the people. Democracy is the definition, and the father of the democracy on the in the world, Mr. Cliff is the father of democracy. And if I talk about is democracy alive in India? Yes, of course, democracy is alive in India, because you will see the any person in the fight your fundamental constitution provide you fundamental rights, and you have fight in his rights, and more than, and the constitution the father of the constitution in India, Mr. B.R. Ambedkar, and year 1949 in founded in constitution, and the constitution day is the 26th November in constitution day. And democracy is very important in our life, and the pillar of the democracy, first executive and judiciary and media and parliament. And media also role play in the democracy, because media always seen the outside in cases, and they choice of the democracy, and the people of 18-year-old elected by your choice in your political leaders, and give your vote any political leaders. And democracy is very important. And third, is democracy alive in the India? Yes, democracy is because
They have a seat.
Hello class, good morning to all of you. My name is Srikant Kumar. I am going to today topic is democracy. Democracy means rule by the people. It is government of the people. India is a democracy country, and before 1947, India was a slave country of the British, and democracy run by the constitution, and the country is run by the other party, BJP, Congress, and different party. And democracy is very important this time. Without democracy, not survive every people. And thank you.
After Mr. Nishan, please come.
Hello everyone. My name is Nishan Jha, and today is my topic democracy. Democracy word is come from Greek, and the word demos means people, and characters. Word characters means power, and democracy means power of people. And if we talk about India is really India's democratic country. Yes, I realize India's democratic country, because we can see people, power of the people, and written by constitution, first page constitution book, and first democracy comes in India 1950, and constitution first democracy comes from by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Thank you. भाई नहीं था।